Good morning this morning. It is travel day and we're off. We have to stop and get propane and everything else as usual. Yay, travel day. We're off to Speculator and navigation nowhere. See you down the road. Well, we made it here to We made it here to Mike's house in Speculator. We're staying in the big house here. She's in a big yank to go for a walk. But we had a nap because they were going to get some parts. So we just laid down after we got here. But they're not here at this house. They're at the house across the street. And I'm like, okay. So I just texted him anyway. They're back from going to get the part. And I'm heading across the street to the house where he is. And see if we're parking there tonight or if we're going to just stay here at the big house for tonight. But either way, he's got a whole lot of people already at his house. So we may just stay here for the night. Might be easier. Oh yeah. There's the house across the street. And yeah, it's packed full. So we'll see what's happening. Well, you're gonna go poopies and peepees? All right. We are waking up this morning to a beautiful day. It's supposed to be, in the 70s, I think Mike said. So we're gonna head across the street over there to his house today. His other house. Dee Dee, this way. I'm telling you. She comes out in the morning. She doesn't complete her business, so she begs to come out another half hour afterwards. Stop eating that. What is it you're eating? Ugh. But beautiful day. Sun is coming up, getting rid of all the fog. It really is a pretty area. I do miss the lake, but it's very pretty here. I cannot complain. This is right off of Highway 30. But very, very nice area. What are you doing? Thought we came out for you to do your business. What a little girl. Ugh. Come on, you gotta do your business. And this is his beautiful backyard. Gotta love it. Oh, somebody found something. Oh, just exploring. Yeah. I remember my backyard was very similar to this growing up. Nothing like the Adirondack Mountains. Well, look at that. You have a beautiful stream running through the property. Well, isn't that nice? Never saw that before. Very cool. Well, we're over at the little house now. And Mike is fallen asleep. He was up till 2 or 3 this morning, and then he got up again at 5 for the day. So he's having a cat nap, and it's only what, about 9:30 here right now. So I'm getting some footage of some ducks. Yep, and there they are. They grew since I was here last. Wow, have they ever. Holy moly. They have grown a lot. Oh my goodness. I can't get over how big they are. Aw, I wonder why this little dude, I wonder why they have him in a cage all by himself. Aw, why are you all by yourself? They just got this little house for the ducks, so they're secure, and nothing can harm them. But yeah, I wanted to film inside Nabby today, but I want to wait until Mike wakes up and ask him if that's okay. And Dale right now is using it as a little apartment while he's here, so I'll probably wait until Dale has left sometime this weekend, or by Monday or so. I think he's planning on leaving, so we'll wait. She's taking good care of these ducks. I can't get over how big they got. Holy cow. If you've been watching Mike's channel, you'll notice this bus is a woman's bus called Gina, and they have been doing work on her rig, and they just sanded it all down, primed it, and she's got a nice white bus now instead of yellow. And of course there's Dale's bus, and he's got it almost built out. It's really cool. I'll say if anything ever happens to my rig, I'd go back to a bus for sure. They're just way cool. But I'll see if we can just peek through the back door here. I'm sure he won't mind. Oh. Yeah, he's got all kinds of stuff going on, but he got the flooring. The flooring is finished, the walls, the ceiling. Oh my goodness, this is gonna look amazing. Oh my goodness, that's awesome. Wow, I really like this. Later, but, oh, there's Dale, getting stuff out of the garage. How about that for a beautiful place to hang out? We just received the rest of our solar from UPS. They just left. Thank you, UPS. Yay. We're gonna do an unboxing shortly. Yeah, so this is gonna be our unboxing, but even when I unbox, I'm not gonna have a clue what's in these, so I may just film Mike unboxing it and telling us, telling us what we actually have and what maybe we're missing or whatever the parts are. So we'll just wait for Mike.
Yeah, I already went through a bit of it. I realized that I think they're missing something, so I want to go back through it.
Oh.
Make sure I didn't miss it.
Mike has already gone through.
I'm already going.
He's already doing it. He's way ahead of me. But he knows what stuff we need, what we don't. He knows what's missing and what's not, so I'm letting him do this.
This is your inverter that you wanted.
Yay!
And I had him pre-program it for your batteries.
Yay!
Oh.
Awesome.
Okay. Alright, so this box is empty.
Multi-plus, that's what we ordered.
So this box is empty, and there's nothing else in it. So the only thing that's in here is the inverter.
And now I'm in charge, I guess, of marking this stuff off.
Like I said, I started marking stuff, and then I was like, there's something missing here. So then I stopped, and I'm like, I'm going to restart and really really go through this like with a fine-tooth comb and make sure,
Right.
because if we're missing even like a couple parts, I don't want it to delay us. I mean, even though there's a return policy and like a warranty thing, if I email him, he'll be like, oh yeah, you missed it. But I still would rather, because of timing,
I know.
not find out that a part's gonna, not be here, and then we're waiting for 3-4 days, and then you're stuck waiting for a fuse, something stupid. But they're always really good. So.
And what company was this you ordered from, Mike?
Well, it's like a bunch of different distributors of these like parts that come in. So it's like comes in from like warehouses. It's like we pre-designed systems, and then we just order it in, and then we actually get all the wiring and like all the lugs and shrimps and everything comes in like one order. So then we don't have to just go to the store and pull it all on site or anything like that. So it's just all right here. Your entire system's right here. We just got to plug and play and put it together now. So yeah, that's the exciting part.
Yay, I'm excited. Moving the duck house to Rachel's new home.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
She's gonna take her duckies with her. Oh. Go, guys.
Cedar's doing a good job.
Beautiful.
It's getting a lot
We
better.
got it.
We shouldn't force it though, because it's going. You got a new camper. Here, let me get in.
A new camper.
Top of the wheel.
Yeah, so just hold that.
There it goes. Off to its new home. Well, guess what we have? More leaks. Yay.
What?
So Tony is doing some more caulking, and hopefully we can get it this time. Gee, how many tubes of caulking do you think we've used so far on this rig?
I lost count.
He lost count. So yeah, we're still at Mike's, and we're doing a little bit of touch-ups here and there. We had to take down the temporary solar equipment, and I repainted that. Well, we're just doing odds and ends to keep up with the leaks. And he's doing a great job.